In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the font in your presentation to give it that perfect look you've been aiming for. Whether you're preparing for a business meeting, a school project, or your own creative venture, your presentation's font can make all the difference in capturing your audience's attention and conveying the right message. So, let's dive in. First things first, open your presentation. With it open, take a moment to review your slides and determine where you'd like to make changes. Choose a specific text box or select the exact text within a text box that you want to modify. It could be a slide heading, bullet points, or any other block of text that needs a fresh look or improved readability. Now let's move up to the toolbar at the top of your screen. You'll find a variety of options here, but what we're interested in today is the font drop-down menu. Give it a click, and you'll see a list of fonts you can choose from. Take a moment to scroll through these options and preview how each one will look in the text you've selected. Keep in mind the overall theme and purpose of your presentation as you make your choice. A formal presentation may benefit from a classic font, whereas a more casual or creative one might call for something a bit more whimsical. But what if the font you're looking for isn't readily available in this list? Don't worry, you're not stuck. Scroll to the bottom of the font drop-down menu where you'll find an option labeled More Fonts. Click on it, and this will open up a window filled with an extensive collection of fonts from Google. Here, you can browse many different styles, weights, and looks. The collection is quite comprehensive, so you're bound to find something that suits your needs. You can filter these fonts or use the search bar to quickly find something specific. Once you've found the font you'd like, simply click on it to add it to your available fonts list. Upon adding your new font, it will conveniently appear back in your main font list. You'll be able to see it there, ready to be applied to any part of your presentation you choose. Go back to your selected text box, click the font drop-down once more, and this time you'll see your new font option right there. Choose it and watch as your text instantly transforms, giving your presentation that final touch you've been hoping for. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the font in your presentation, offering it a refreshed and polished appearance. With these steps, you can easily customize your content to better suit your audience and objectives. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more presentation tips and tricks.